the western India with coastline stretching along the Arabian Sea. The main reason why Goa beaches has been the center of the attractions for all the travelers for the past few years is its pristine famous beaches in Goa. The long coastline of Goa has a number of beaches and all of them have their own specialities. From the hippie party culture to laid back beaches, the Goa beaches have their own magnetic charm. Hello everyone, this is Shangita and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to explore the South Central Goa. Goa is a state in the western India with a coastline stretching along the Arabian Sea. Its long history as a Portuguese colony prior to the 1961 is the evidence in its preserved 17th century churches and the area's tropical spice plantation. Panjim is a cultural dynamic city with its own impressive traditions and packed a festive calendar. There is a famous Goa Carnival, a dazzling animated blend of the tradition and the culture that honors the Goan life. Panaji, also known as Panjim, is the state capital of Goa in southwest India. Located on the bank of Mandavi River, the city has street lined with colorful villas and buildings from the Portuguese colonial era. The Basilica of Bom Jesus is a Roman Catholic basilica located in Goa, India, and it is the part of churches and convents of Goa UNESCO World Heritage Site. The basilica is located in Old Goa, former capital of Portuguese India, and holds the mortal remains of Saint Francis Xavier's. Archaeological Museum and the Portrait Gallery was set up in 1964. Ennis recognized in 1981 to 1982. It is run by the Government of India's Archaeological Survey of India and is situated in the former Portuguese colonial capital of the Old Goa, a historic one-time city which now attracts a large number of tourists. After visiting the Archaeological Museum of Goa, we are taking a break for lunch and now we are heading towards the Panjim. Panaji has a terraced hill, concrete building with balconies, red tiled roof, churches and a riverside. Located in the heart of the Goan's capital, Miramar Beach in Panjim is the largest beach in the state. Stretching as far as 2 kilometers, the beach sides on the confluence of the Mandovi River and the Arabian Sea, offering splendid oceanic views. Miramar Beach was originally called Porto de Gaspar Dias by Portuguese settler in Goa. The stunning 400 years old Sri Mangesh temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is outstanding with its simple and elegant structure. It is considered to be the most beautiful among the temples in Goa. Step into the river carnival at the iconic Santa Monica jetty, just below the Atal Setu in Panjim. Any time of the year to experience the magic of the Goan Carnival. One of the Goan's pioneering river cruises, the Santa Monica, also fondly called the Legend, is a part of the fleet that sailed from the river carnival. The experience includes a river cruise that is approximately for 1 hour and Carnival Village, making it perfect idea for a quick getaway beyond the beaches of Goa. Along with the sun, sea and wind, you get a glimpse of extraordinary historical site and treasured wonder of this tiny yet mesmerizing state.
Come on everyone, clap your hands to the beat of the song. Here comes the boatman, Mr. Samu and Mr. Ram.
la 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 la